Hi guys, this week on What's Cooking Wahida, we are making the first recipe of the fall pumpkin series, where I break down one Cinderella pumpkin and make 4 recipes with it. Today we are making a pumpkin stuffed flatbread from Afghanistan called Bolani. Let's get started. So I have about half of Cinderella pumpkin and I am making 34 flatbreads or Bolani. Cut the pumpkin into more manageable slices so you can de-seed it with a spoon. Then we are going to carefully peel the skin of the pumpkin completely. Now that the pumpkin is clean, let's move on to making stuffing. We need 3 green chilies. You can adjust to taste. 1 medium yellow onion and half a teaspoon salt. Using a box grater on the side with the medium holes, we are going to shred the pumpkin into a large ball. Then cut the onion into 10 slices and chop your chilies and mix it all up in the bowl. Leave this aside so we can move on to the white sauce. For the white sauce, we need 1 cup whole milk yogurt, 1 cup sour cream, half a cup mayonnaise, half a teaspoon salt, half a tablespoon dry dill, half a teaspoon sugar, half a tablespoon vinegar, and a small garlic cloves. Add these ingredients into a bowl and whisk together. Now for the dough. This is the same dough in my last video. I will link it here. It's basically 2 cups flour, 2/3 cup water, and 1/4 teaspoon salt. Flour your work surface, roll out the dough into a log about 1.5 feet long, then cut it into 8 even pieces. Roll each piece into a ball, sit on a plate and cover with plastic wrap and leave to rest for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, the dough should spring back when you poke it like this. Flour your table again and roll out to about the size of tortilla. Let's start filling the flatbreads. Grab the filling and a small bowl of water. With the edge of the dough and fill 1/2 of it with the filling. Then fold over the empty side over the filled side and seal the edge with your fingers and repeat for all the flatbreads or bolani. If you are in a hurry, you can always use these pre-made dough squares. You can find these in most Asian supermarkets. I am using both methods today and it is the same process as the fresh dough. Wet, fill, fold, seal and repeat. Now on to cooking them. I'm using a griddle, but you can do this in a pan as well. Coat the pan well with oil and make sure it is spread all over the surface. My griddle is on its highest heat setting. Carefully start placing the flatbreads on the griddle. Always lay away from you when you're working with hot oil. Make sure to check these and don't walk away from them as they cook very fast. It only needs about a minute or 2 to cook each side. Once the underside is golden brown, flip and repeat on the other side. Lay them out on a plate with a paper towel to absorb excess oil. Both types of dough cook the same exact way. I know it will be hard, but let them cool down a little or you burn yourself eating them. Plate them and spoon some of the white sauce over or dip it right in and enjoy. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys like this recipe. If you did, hit the thumbs up. If you have any question or comment, leave them below. If you want more recipe like this, hit the subscribe button. I post weekly recipe videos. So come back next week to see what's cooking.